In this calming embrace of nature, your mind drifts into dreamland, where worries fade away and dreams take flight. Imagine yourself wandering through a dreamy forest, each step carrying you closer to a world of blissful sleep. As the wind and rain harmonize, you find yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, feeling every muscle in your body unwind. Let go of any lingering stress, knowing that this moment is yours to find peace and restoration. And now, let the soothing sound of gentle raindrops embrace your senses. Picture yourself in a cozy shelter, listening to the rain dance upon the roof, creating a melody of tranquility that soothes your soul. As the wind carries away your worries, listen to the rhythmic sounds of nature's symphony. The rustling leaves create a comforting rhythm, like a gentle hug from the universe, reminding you that you are safe and protected. Tonight, the winds are your companion, guiding you into a world of tranquility. Imagine yourself lying under a starlit sky, feeling the gentle caress of the wind on your skin. It whispers through the trees, creating a soothing melody that lulls you into deep relaxation. Welcome to a peaceful journey of deep sleep and relaxation. Find yourself in a cozy cocoon of serenity as you drift off into a restful night's slumber. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, letting go of any lingering thoughts or tension.